Alright, so in this video we're checking out the GOCHIFIX 21V Cordless leaf blower. And you can see I took everything out of the box already. I got the leaf blower here. You got a couple of attachments, extensions that go to the front here to direct the airflow. You get a 21V 1 amp charger, and it just has a standard DC barrel connector. And it comes with two 21V batteries, and they're 3 amp hours each, so total of 6 amp hours total. And you get a user's guide. It's a pretty simple operation. Basically, plug in the battery in the bottom here, just slides in, locks into place, and then there is a dial up top here, and there's 5 levels max. It's upside down to increase the speed. Here are the specs in the manual. 21 volts. The speed of the fan is 3,300 to 16,500 RPM, and then the batteries are lithium ion. I think it's 130 cubic feet per minute and 180 miles per hour in terms of the wind speed. And this is actually pretty small and light, and considering it's electric. I actually have a older, like 20-year-old corded leaf blower that I don't use too much because it's kind of unwieldy to carry around. Definitely going to be using this more because it's lightweight and more portable. And it only weighs about 5 pounds. So yeah, definitely a lot lighter, and it's going to be a lot more portable because it's battery operated. So not much more to say. Let's go ahead and see how well it does in terms of blowing the leaves in my patio. I've been kind of putting that off for a while. I need to do it, and kind of glad this showed up because it's time to take care of the leaves on the patio. It is getting out of control. Got to clean it up. So let's go out there and see how it does. Alright, so here it is with the battery attached, and I'm just going to use the first attachment. It's got a wider nozzle. This longer attachment is a little bit narrower, and will increase the airflow. But I'm going to use it for the patio. Got a ton of leaves everywhere. And back here, so see how long this takes. I think the leaf blower should make this go by pretty quick. Alright, so I think they did pretty well. Patio's mostly clear of these. I pushed everything to the corner and then obviously broom that up and trash it, but a lot better than before, and didn't have to even use full speed. I think I only went to like max of speed 4 and it did totally fine. By the way, the battery lasts about 110 minutes on speed 1 and about 40 minutes on speed 5. That'll do it for this video. If you guys want to check this out, I'll put a link in the video description, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.